Hello guys,
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change profile name on Facebook. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, visit the official site of Facebook. Enter your login credentials of like username and password of your Facebook account. Later, click on the Login option. After logging into the Facebook, you will find the interface as displaying in the tutorial. Click on the drop-down menu icon located at the top right corner. A list of options will open. Choose the Settings and Privacy option by clicking on it. And again click on the Settings option. Then it will take you to the Settings page. Make sure that you are in the General section. If you are not, click on the General option. There you will find some settings options as displaying on the screen. Click on the Edit option of Name section. Then you are allowed to change the profile name. After modifying, click on the Review Changes option. A window will pop up and shows you some suggestions to choose the display name. Choose one and enter the Facebook password. Later, click on the Save Changes option. And that's it, your profile name will be changed. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.